Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to add a pop-up on Shopify. So now let's see how to add a pop-up on Shopify. Go to Shopify App Store. Here you search pop-up. Here you can see many pop-up apps, but here we select Shopify Sales Pop-up and Proof. This app used for social proof pop-up. Install this app. Install again and integrate this. First, click on Create Campaign and set up this pop-up manually. Here you can see different pop-ups. First one is Social Prof Sales Pop-up. Second is Visitor Count Pop-up. Third is Sold Count Pop-up. And fourth one is Cart Countdown Pop-up. First, we select this sales pop-up. Click on Create. First, select this automatic. Pop-up will automatically show on all products. Next, put all the requirement according to your choice. Now click on Setting and adjust all of these requirements. Here you add fake customer name as social proof. Here you put customer location. Now click on Style and select Pop-up Template, which one you want. Now adjust all of these remaining settings and then save it. Now go to the Shopify customization theme page and on this app. In this way, you successfully set up your pop-up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.